Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say how. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say now. Oh, now.
Golden here. Yeah.
It's the day you're born.
Oh, mine already passed.
Oh!
That was so.
That was pretty good, actually.
Yeah, that wasn't that bad.
Better. Oh, girls need love too.
Top video.
Honestly.
She has some strong ass legs.
She be skating. Oh, I forgot. Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused.
You must think I got to let go.
Oh my god. She was at Cascade. Oh wait, what are you doing? I need some love. I mean, that was kind of cute, but.
Blue Moon is a Belgian-style wheat beer brewed with Valencia orange peel for a flavorful and refreshing taste that rises above.
Oh, you're really eating your meal plan. I thought she was gonna get pizza. Me too. Maybe tonight if we make it.
Yes, way to help me look forward to something.
For real. Okay, it's on now.
I thought this was some real shit. If I make
Yeah.
if I do good tonight, I get pizza.
Yeah. We'll start at 10 so we make it.
I really love this video.
I never seen it. I don't watch music videos.
She did a really good job shouting out to her city.
You should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never
And I love that she put like all the LA rappers in.
all of them.
Everyone is out here like smoking weed. So there's a girl or she did. So there's this boy and he's well obviously he's from Cali, but I miss like talking to like boys from Cali because they really do have like a little accent compared to like Georgia boys.
What do you mean?
Like they say stuff, it just like feels like home. Like when I'm talking to them, I'm like, oh, like.
Oh yeah, I forgot you're from what? Culver's. Not Culver. But you can do. Oh, Pasadena. So you're not far from. Oh no, wait. The last one, right? LA, the museum.
Oh no, that's no. I'm probably like 40 minutes.
You know Nipsey was in Sexy.
J Mosh on some groovy shit.
I want to eventually.
You can probably get, travel back and once you get into real estate and just have your real estate license in California. And you do? In California and Atlanta? Stop playing. You legit. You hear that?
Beautiful. I'm a mogul in the making, okay?
I can't wait. And then you can be my real estate agent. Wherever I go. Like you need a small one or these? One of these?
Will be measured. Tequila Herradura.
Can real estate agents and interior designers work together? Are you?
When I have to stage
Oh
your
my
house.
god.
When I start getting those $1 million listings, and
We should
stage.
collab.
Yeah, girl. You gotta work. You gotta work with your friends
Yes,
until they
for
fuck
real.
you over.
Well, don't fuck me over though. I won't fuck you
won't.
over. I promise.
I like money, okay?
Say it again. I ain't got nothing.
I like
right
money
now.
more than I
love
like a lot of things in life. I don't like things getting in the way of my money. I might really want pizza. I'm just imagining this is pizza.
I told her that we can't get pizza if we make it. I mean, we can get pizza if we make it out.
Oh boy, I'ma have to call them boys on you. Oh damn, I'ma have to call.
I really like her. And her and Big Sean are super cute.
So cute, because they just real and they don't have to, be together all the
I
time.
was thinking about them the other day, like, how are they doing? I ain't hear from them in a while.
But that's good, yeah.
What the
Everything is on demand. You wanna check? First you gotta have a plan. And she's so aware. She drip a goddamn. My little butter pecan. She got a tan. Girl, you need a man. And he need a best. And y'all need a
Yeah, pouring bubbly, pouring bubbly, pouring bubbly, pouring bubbly, pouring bubbly. We done went through too much. You hear me? Pouring bubbly, training money, bro, we probably. Motherfucking money.
Hey, we got the bread.
That ain't for you, dog. That's for
Thank you.
probably.
My forehead. Wow, you did these tiny.
I used the rest of his hair.
You use the braid too?
No,
Or just the? Oh, hey.
I
got a
can
call.
do it my way.
It's your husband.
Do that?
It was just a little
Do what
option.
over?
I needed to be there with him.
Why would you do it over? No, I like it.
I mean, I don't think they're tiny. It looks like your real hair.
During medical treatment.
I do what I
don't know anybody here.
Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah, she definitely right now.
He gave me neck, now I got protect. These bitches only all on the internet, you know cash like the flex. When I hit them up next, you know I get a next. Sometimes I won't mirror, sometimes I won't kill. These bitches.
Hold on, let me chill.
Ice me out. Ice me out.
Hey guys. So let me just explain to you why I vlogged this weekend. So I finished my first quarter at my school Thursday, and it was a long 10 weeks, let me just tell you that. And so a couple of my friends just wanted to have a good old time this weekend because it was Drake's concert in ATL. He had 3 concerts. I did not go to any of them because your girl is basically broke. So this is why this was a cheap getaway. And sorry, I'm driving right now. I'm super tired. I don't know why I drove so late, but that's okay. I had a good time. I really do like Atlanta. Like, I was only here for 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, and I really like it. I could probably go to school here, but it probably wouldn't be, I would say, I would probably hold off a year if I do decide to go to school in Atlanta. But yeah, I had a good time. So I just wanted to come on here and just explain that I just wanted to get away. I'm going back to my hometown for the week for Thanksgiving, so I had a good weekend, and then going into a chill week with family and friends. But yeah, because this vlog is probably all over the place. It's probably one of my shortest vlogs. I don't know. But yeah, shout out to Kiara for letting me stay at her nice ass house. Well, it's kind of like a townhome, but it was really nice. Another reason why this trip was cheap. And then Kelsey and Clara was here with us, with us. It was all of us, so it was just cool, and I feel like we should just do this a lot. Like, I love to travel. Like, I've been traveling since, well, in the United States. Like, I've never been out of the country, but I've been traveling ever since I was a kid. Well, I went to the Bahamas when I was a child, like a baby. But ever since I was born, I just traveled. Oh, shit. Pay attention. That's what they be saying about these nosy people. That's how they cause accidents, because you nosy. That's me. That is me. Great. This person is driving too slow for me. But alright, well, I'll catch y'all later. Thank you for watching. And yeah, this is really good lighting. I'm like, oh, and these are like my glasses that I would never wear because, oh my god, all this traffic. It's Sunday and it's so much traffic. Because I don't think I like how they look on me. I don't know. I like it with the braids though. It's pretty cool. All right, bye. Like, is that a cop? I'm not trying to touch my phone. If you didn't know, Georgia is a no-hand state. So if you get caught touching your phone, you will go to jail or get a ticket. I don't know. I need to look that up. Okay, but I don't see no cops around. So